When you see a blinking blue light on your Gardena robotic mower charging station, this indicates a communication error or connection failure between the station and your mower. This communication failure prevents your mower from charging automatically and disrupts its scheduled mowing cycles. Your mower may not return to its charging base properly. There are three main categories of problems that cause this blinking blue light. Let's examine each one. The most common cause is boundary wire issues. This includes broken or damaged perimeter wire, loose connections at wire joints, and corrosion at connection points. Power supply problems are another major cause. This includes faulty transformers, inadequate voltage supply, and damaged power cables connecting to the charging station. Environmental factors can also cause communication problems. Moisture infiltration in connections, temperature extremes affecting electronics, and interference from other devices can all trigger the blinking blue light. The good news is that this blinking blue light issue is very common and has systematic solutions. Research shows that 90% of these cases can be resolved through proper troubleshooting steps. When facing a blinking blue light on your Gardena charging station, start with these basic diagnostic steps to identify the root cause. First, check all power supply connections. Verify that the transformer is properly plugged in and that all cables are securely connected to the charging station. Next, inspect all visible wire connections around the charging station. Look for loose connections, corrosion, or any signs of damage at junction points. Finally, test the mower's placement on the charging contacts. Ensure the mower sits properly on the station and that the charging contacts are clean and making good connection. If basic diagnostics don't resolve the issue, proceed to a thorough inspection of the wire system using proper testing equipment. Use a multimeter to test wire continuity throughout the entire perimeter loop. This will help identify breaks or high-resistance connections that could cause communication failures. Inspect all splice connections for signs of corrosion or damage. Water infiltration is a common cause of connection failures, especially at underground junction points. Verify that the perimeter wire is buried at the proper depth. The wire should be installed between 2 to 4 inches underground for optimal performance and protection. For persistent issues, try these advanced troubleshooting solutions that address software and hardware problems. Reset the charging station to factory settings. This clears any configuration errors and restores default communication parameters. Update the firmware if your model supports it. Newer firmware versions often include fixes for communication issues and improved diagnostic capabilities. Replace damaged wire sections and clean all charging contacts thoroughly. Use appropriate weatherproof connectors for any wire repairs. Industry data shows that systematic troubleshooting is highly effective. 90% of blinking blue light issues can be resolved using these methods, with wire-related problems accounting for 65% of all errors.